We went furniture shopping. My mom wanted us to go to this particular place and the place was closed permanently. So we went to this place and they have a lot of furniture. So we're looking for like two seats for his office and a sofa bed for one of the rooms in the flat. I don't know if we found what we are looking for. The furnitures were really, really good, like so good. There is sofa beds, there is wardrobes, there is so much. But the thing is, it just feels like they want everybody to furnish their house in the same style, if you know what I mean. Like the furniture place is really, really huge. Baby, do you think we'll find something?
No, not really.
Good morning. It is Monday. I said I was going to vlog yesterday, but I didn't pick up the camera because I didn't want to. The weather was horrible yesterday as well. Today is the same thing. It just feels like when you are someone who lives outside of your country, especially if you're from Africa, people tend to think that you have a lot of access to financial resources. That is when they start counting for people that you have a lot of money, what have you done, yada yada yada, that you just have money laying around because of the exchange rate, and they tell you, oh, you live abroad, blah 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 blah, and they do some of the nonsense that they do. And the reason why I'm saying this is some of the experiences I've had on the social media streets where people will come because they feel some type of way, they feel less than because you don't live in Nigeria, they feel like you are better than them, and the type of insults will tell you what the state of their mind is. Like the guy that came the other day that was saying to me, I have more money than you think you are better than Nigerians, yada yada yada. Nobody said that. Just because of somebody lives in the UK, lives in the US, lives in Spain, lives in Australia, Canada, Germany, wherever, Ireland, wherever in the Western world, doesn't mean their life is better than yours. Of course, there is amenities like there's constant power supply and all of these things. That doesn't mean their life is better than yours. And just because of someone lives outside of Nigeria doesn't mean they have money. People are expecting you to overextend yourself and do things for them. Meanwhile, you may not even have enough. There's a particular friend now that is going through it with their family where they say to him, oh, you're useless, you're that, you're that. Meanwhile, he gave someone money to build a house. This happened when I first came to the UK. That's when this happened. This person now is almost in their mid-60s and they messed him up big time. This person is an uncle to someone that I know. It's crazy. I just don't understand why people feel like this. Good morning. How are you? It is Tuesday. I am running late. But you know what? This is super, super crazy. I hate weather like this. This is absolutely horrible. It is raining, but it is icy rain. So I went out to clear the windshield and the window. The back window is not really cleared. Not the back window, the whatever that you can see from behind. I don't know if you can see that. It's not cleared. I don't have the energy to do that. When I drive, let it fall off. Yesterday was a busy day. Lots of work. New episode of Igbo Queer and Unfiltered podcast came out today. So go listen to that. I have a massive headache. Horrible. And this weather is horrible as well. I struggle to get somewhere to park here. I do not like this weather. Hoping that by the time I finish, there won't be so much car. Because I'm not gonna lie, when the weather is like this, there's always someone that's going to do higi and haga. And judging by what happened to me last week here, my ancestors take the wheel. Please, let me just go and do what I need to do because I need to get in this workout quickly. I don't know, I need to do something about this headache. I drank so much water this morning as well. Maybe because I haven't really slept as much as I would want. The headache is a stress headache. I can tell this already. We are adults, we do what we need to do. Good morning, how are you? I came to work out. It just feels like the only time I have to vlog or I have the space to vlog is when I'm coming to work out. And I don't feel like taking my camera into the gym. I just want to get a quick workout. Today is Wednesday. So let me just go and work out quickly. It was so hot when I got into my car. It was so freaking hot. I was just thinking of something actually. It's something that a video I watched reminded me of how when I was in secondary school in Nigeria, in Enugu, how some of these people evangelize and force Christianity on people. All the other religions are not like this. You won't see them trying to evangelize and force and be in your space, asking you to come and join them. Good morning. We have a nice day today, but this week has been higgy and haga and extremely busy, and I haven't really picked up the camera as much as I would want to vlog. Today is Thursday. I am going to have breakfast quickly. I have a lot on my plate today. It has been crazy. I still get asked to get married to women. I still get asked to do some investment in Nigeria for retirement. What are you going to do? What will happen to you if you get old? All of these things. I still get asked a lot of this. Some of these people I have told that I'm gay. They know that I'm gay and they should be okay with it, but it just feels like they are not. There's always this whole thing about you should get married and have children, and this is not only on social media. This happens a lot to me, where people say these things to me and I don't know what they think I should do. I have told a lot of these people that I don't want children, that I do not want to have children is a decision. Not having children doesn't mean your life is miserable or you are unhappy. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you? Today is Friday. I was just speaking to a friend of mine like 20 minutes ago. This whole LGBTQI plus anti-gay laws, literally, that is happening in Africa. Some of our people are just extremely wayward. The easiest way for you to get a lot of black people, people of African descent to unite is to talk about homosexuality and queerness. All of them will remember that they are God, that they are morally above everybody. And this is the same thing that some of these our leaders do when they are supposed to be solving the problems that we have in Africa. Look at the whole anti-gay law in Senegal and the two women that were arrested in Uganda for kissing because someone reported them. I made a video on this topic on TikTok and that video is not really getting much views at this point in time. I need some of our leaders to come to the front because this is just absolutely horrible. There's inequitable distribution of resources in Africa. There is bad roads, bad government, corruption. Some of you are stealing our money and going to go and invest it in foreign countries, and people are suffering. No good schools, no good roads. The hill that you choose to unalive yourself is the hill of homosexuality and queerness. I did not do that much of a dressing, so let's get into it. I'm wearing this oldie from cause this Bershka denim pants and my sneakers is from Axel Arigato and my tote bag from Rains. Okay. Yes. Traffic, no stop signs, stuck on bad habits. We are back. I just got in. I unpacked this already and did a little bit of video for it for TikTok. I love cantuccinis. I got 4 cantuccinis. Kisi. This is some form of chips. This is rye bread, lentil chips. This is quiche and pizza, almond candy, mixed fruits. These two are made from peanuts, sour cherry. Those are the things we got. I will see you later.